I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Timber Creek. I'm Victoria Costa. UPS is looking to hire hundreds of people. Details next.
And I'm Corey Gunning. News and updates around your campus, next on the Morning Report.
Hundreds of jobs are coming to the Orlando area. UPS said it's hiring more than 500 people in the Orlando area for seasonal jobs. Another 500 open positions need to be filled in the Davenport area. The company says it's preparing for the peak holiday season, which runs October through January. We're preparing for a record peak holiday season. The COVID-19 pandemic has made our services more important than ever, said Charlene Thomas, Chief Human Resource Officer. We will hire over 100,000 people for UPS's traditional seasonal jobs and anticipate a large number will move into permanent roles after the holidays. At a time when millions of Americans are looking for work, these jobs are an opportunity to start a new career with UPS.
And here's what's going on around your campus. Parents, we're introducing a new college search platform called Scoir. Scoir will be replacing our old system, Naviance, and is designed to break down the college admission process into manageable steps that will help students evaluate all the important college admission questions one step at a time. Scoir provides students, parents, counselors, and colleges a dynamic platform for focus on matching post-secondary institutions with student goals and interests. Senior and underclassmen picture makeups and retakes will take place over several days this year. The dates for seniors are Saturday, October 24th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Seniors will need to call the Leonard's Photography to schedule an appointment at 888-224-5045. The dates for 9th and 11th grade students are Saturday, October 24th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Monday, October 26th during the face-to-face English classes or from 2 to 5 p.m. for launch ed students. 9th and 11th grade students will need to click the appointment link for the day they would like to schedule their appointment. The appointment links are different for each day. All pictures will be taken in the gym lobby. Please contact Mrs. Bell at samantha.bell at ocps.net if you have any questions. We will be hosting our virtual open house on Monday, October 19th. This will take place 100% virtually. We will be posting more information on open house soon.
Now over to Ethan with your Timber Creek sports update.
Good morning, Timber Creek. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. Now let's jump straight into your sports. For TC football, the Wolves beat Windermere last Friday 61-7, and they play Colonial away this Friday at 7 p.m. For boys golf, they have a match at home against Winter Park at 4, and in volleyball, the girls face Lake Nona at home on Friday at 5:30. In girls and boys cross country, they both have a meet away against West Orange on Saturday. And in the NHL, the Lightning won the Stanley Cup Championship Tuesday against the Dallas Stars. This is their second championship since they came into the league in 1992. That's all I have for the sports. Now on to the break.
Excuse me, sir. No. Sir, you must be wearing a mask at all times on school property, or else face-to-face is not for you.
I'm so sorry, sir. I did not want to compromise the health of other students.
Excuse me, gentlemen. You must be 6 feet apart at all times. Excuse me. Please pay attention to the direction signs on the staircases. Thank you. Safety is not a joke. Please wear a mask and follow social distancing guidelines.
Okay, good morning, class. Today we're going to start off with attendance. I see Gerald, Gunnar, and Owen. You all have your cameras on. That is great. Tanner, turn on your camera, please. We are starting. Tanner, hello, Tanner. Okay, he's getting a 0 for the day. Okay, guys, Gerald, Gunnar, and Owen, please stop what you're doing right now. I am starting class. Guys. Pay attention. Okay, guys. Class, I am sorry about that, but please, I express this. Just because you're an online school doesn't mean the same rules don't apply. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Signing off.
That's all we have for today, Wolves.
Have a great day, Timber Creek.